Air can be hot or humid. It can be cold and it can be dry. This is a huge challenge for manufacturing the various goods that you use and consume every day, because their production demands a precise quality of air. Even buildings need quality air, so that the people inside can breathe fresh air which is clean and healthy.
Most of our technologies are using air and desiccant in relationship with each other, either at elevated pressures or at atmospheric pressures. And we try and describe it that our products and services are as universal in application as air itself.
Power Enterprises is a global company based in India, which provides solutions in air engineering through innovative products and systems for energy recovery, indoor air quality, evaporative cooling, dehumidification, and resin drying. We have modern manufacturing facilities in India, Malaysia, China, and Germany, which produce a range of equipment and solutions to manage the most challenging requirements of customers worldwide. Our leadership in providing quality air has its foundation in a knowledge-based, technology-driven approach. Nearly half of the 800 people who work here are qualified technical personnel. Our laboratories are today the best in the corporate world, and we have spent nearly 300 man-years in research and development of various processes and products, with a commitment to delivering a precise quality of air.
We stand for technology and innovation. In the last 1 year, we have filed 2 international patents, which are very significant in the area of desiccant rotor technology development, which is important, as also a new dehumidification equipment which consumes almost 45% less energy compared to the systems that are available on the market so far. We have now a stable of about 9 patents, and work is going on all the time in new areas.
Removing moisture from air and maintaining indoor air quality is achieved through 6 companies within Power Enterprises: Bry-Air, DRI, Del-Air, TDS, and Puriflare. In the last 30 years, we've grown and expanded our presence to all regions of the globe, touching people's lives everywhere. Today, nearly 60% of our sales comes from exports. In India, Power Enterprises has used its leadership position to encourage education and innovation by instituting the annual Bry-Air Awards for Excellence in the HVAC&R industry. The world is changing at a rapid pace, but somewhere along the way, it appears that all this activity may have caused an imbalance, a change in the very climate of the world, which can have catastrophic consequences. And we at Power Enterprises understand that all of us have a responsibility to set this right. At the core of all our products is the honeycomb fluted media, a wonderful technology which is engineered by us but which is designed by nature. Our energy recovery products are therefore already helping the establishment of energy-efficient green buildings which are conserving precious carbon for the planet. The critical application of removing moisture from air is achieved through group company Bry-Air Asia, a global leader in providing solutions in diverse climatic conditions, touching people's lives round the clock.
So when you start looking at that, you can see how dry air is applied in almost everything that we do and how it touches our lives from morning till evening.
Bry-Air equipment find applications in a variety of industries and is the choice of leading brands the world over. In pharmaceuticals, our systems help in the manufacture of life-saving medicines by effectively managing moisture at desired levels.
In this, the requirements of the environmental conditions is quite demanding, particularly when we are processing sterile dry powders. We will be needing requirements of the relative humidity of 25. And in this, we are happy with the support which we are required, which that is being rendered by Bry-Air and team.
Food processing is another demanding area. This plant, which makes a popular brand of candy, has Bry-Air dehumidification systems which keep the environment congenial so that the candy is manufactured to international quality standards.
It's very important for us to maintain a good air conditioning system in our manufacturing setup, which requires a very tight control on humidity, and especially we are located at a coastal area like Chennai, wherein humidity fluctuations ranges between 80% to 95% in relative terms, and therefore we have chosen a very tougher system of humidity control which allows us to ensure the quality of the product and at the same time have all our parameters on a constant stable basis. And Bry-Air basically allows us a greater flexibility in terms of maintaining stable humidity and a reliable quality of our final products.
The industrial needs of Bry-Air encompasses a very wide area indeed. This manufacturing unit of a multinational corporation produces a most critical item for aircraft, the emergency rafts, which have to open out in times of crisis to save the lives of passengers. The production of these demands precise humidity control, which is ensured by a modern Bry-Air dehumidification system.
I have got experience that especially dehumidifier which we installed and we have taken from our library. So we were facing one major problem in that library. There was a fungus problem, the books was going to destroy, and when we contact to your company, you give a very good solutions, technical solution, a very economical solution, and we install those machines. A very short time we achieves the target of relative humidity.
In Asia, we have our plant in India. Then we established our plant in '91 in Malaysia. We have our facilities also established in China recently. Bry-Air exists in US and we have a licensee in Brazil. In addition to that, we established our network of offices and representatives to take care of the global presence.
The heart of the moisture removal system is the dryer, and Bry-Air Asia is a technology leader in this field, being the inventor and patent holder of the rotary silica gel desiccant dehumidifier, the forerunner of today's honeycomb fluted bed dryers.
Bry-Air continues to focus on technological innovation, and in light of that we have a new product which is also pending a patent. This product is called EcoDry. It's a new dehumidifier technology which helps save more energy while giving the same efficiency and output in the dehumidifier. And this product has been developed in collaboration with our China office, our Germany office and the US office. So it's got technological inputs coming in from all over the world.
Bry-Air's unique rotor technology also fulfills the critical need of resin drying and conveying in the processing of engineering plastics, medical plastics, and PET, enabling speedier processing along with 25% energy savings. Yet another Bry-Air product is the EcoScrub air and gas purification system, which cleans contaminated air of suspended particles and corrosive gases and eliminates odor, creating a healthy environment for both man and machine. Bry-Air, touching people's lives.